The developers area on Zenler. So Zenler offers you the ability to be able to create API keys on the Zenler website. This is for developers only. If you know nothing about API keys, please leave this area alone. To go and find where the developers is from your dashboard, simply go to Site and on the left scroll down until you see Developers. Inside here you can generate your own API key by clicking Generate Key. You can also reset the API key, copy the API key here, and you can access API documentation to find out more of the uses of the API key inside of Zenler. This is Zenler's developer area for creating API keys on the Zenler platform.